Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video, for watching on my video. Okay, so if you want to see unpacking of Samsung A34 5G, then keep watching. I got this parcel today, still unopened. This is actually present for my mom, but she allowed me to open it as I'm gonna see her in about 1-2 months, so I'm gonna open it now. So inside there is Samsung A34 5G phone, mobile phone. So arrived today. So let's see how it's packed. So I'm unboxing it now with you guys, sharing it. It's quite a nice box in there, some papers, and let's see. So what is there? Some paperwork. All is sealed. There it is. Galaxy A34 5G. It's beautiful. Everybody was saying this is like the best color. It's in silver. So I'm gonna open this bit on the sides. I was choosing this phone for my mom for a long time. Well, not so long, about a few days. And I was doing research, and eventually this one seemed to be like the best one. Best choice from middle range. So there you go. There is some box inside there, and it's holding very well inside. So you put it like this, and there is a key. So I just put it in the box, and then this is the key. So let me just adjust the camera. So shall we open this first, or shall we open the phone? Let's open the phone first. Well, you can see the phone. Ooh, so that's the back of the phone. I was searching a lot about this phone. Do you know what? This is actually the same as it shows. You know, this color is amazing. Wow, look at this, beautiful. Wow, it's like a rainbow. So it's silver. The color of the mobile is supposed to be silver, but it's like rainbow silver. Look at this gorgeous back. Amazing. How beautiful this is. So that's this phone. So this is how big it is. Yeah, so I think my mom will like it, to be honest. It's very nice. It holds really nice in the hand. I was searching for like the best phone, and what I found out, people really love this one. They said it's like the best phone selling at the moment on the market. And do you know what's amazing about this? It's got still SD card. I mean, you can still put SD card in it, up to 1 terabyte, which is amazing. This one is 128 giga memory, and plus you can put SD card up to 1 terabyte, which is amazing because these days you don't get this in many phones like Samsung S. So in this one I was really surprised about this one. I already got like SD card, but I got to like 500 giga up to. I didn't get full 1 terabyte. So this one, in this case, is amazing. It says in loads of reviews it doesn't overheat. The battery doesn't overheat, so that's good. And shall I take this off? Ooh, I think I'll open it later. I don't know if I should open all these bits, but shall I open this? I don't even know where to open this. I think I have to open it from the other side, but it's very nice packed. I may just keep it, so there will be at least something for my mom to to unbox. So I may keep this paper for my mom to unbox because it's present for her. But yeah, it comes like this beautiful packaging. The hand, how it holds in the hand is really good. It's very comfy. It's actually really comfy. I really like this. It feels very comfy in the hand. Yeah, what else did I read about it? So we've talked about battery. They said the battery lasts like forever, like very long time. So it's got all the pluses from all the phones that I've been searching, like reviews. This one had like the best stuff, like best reviews. The battery was lasting. It's got SD card up to 1 terabyte. The camera is great. It's sleek design. It's a very good budget, like value for money. Like amazing that it's almost, same like not same, but it's close to range from range from Samsung. So this is A. Okay, so A34 5G Samsung Galaxy. So that's that. Amazing phone. It should be amazing phone. Yeah, people in all reviews, people love this phone. So I was really like pleased. It's really like in the key. What else is inside there? I don't see anything else inside there. Oh yeah. Okay. So there is this charger as well. There's this charger. And then there is this booklet. I think she'll be very pleased with this phone. Honestly, it had like, I don't know if I forgot to mention anything, but all the research that I've done about the reviews, it had all the good points. Battery was not overheating, it was lasting forever, it was very comfy in the hand, design is very comfy, beautiful, this color is beautiful. The SD card you can put in there, so all good stuff in there, and it's apparently very fast. It's faster than any other phone, so that's good too. I just can't, like this bag is just beautiful, because I've seen it on loads of videos, like reviews, and I thought like, oh, is this like some trick they're doing on us with the colors? But if you look at it, it actually does these colors, and it's slightly like matte, but it actually does this colors changing. So yeah, so I think that's it. So I'm gonna leave it slightly with this on because it's a present from my mom. I think she will love it. I love it already. So I think it's a very good choice. Thank you guys for watching. That was Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and I think you will make a good choice if you go for this phone. So I've read all the good reviews when I've done the research. So yeah, let's enjoy. I think my mom will enjoy it. Thank you for watching.